Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload tickets on Ticketswap. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Ticketswap? It's pretty much simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Ticketswap. In the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And once you have signed in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to upload tickets on Ticketswap. From your home page, which is here, or which you're looking at here, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find jobs, your tickets, your listings. Go ahead and click on your ticket, and it's going to take you right into this window. Now it says you don't have any upcoming events, and that's fine. And you have this plus icon that has import labeled on it, and of course you have import your tickets, which is down here. So in here you can upload any tickets for easy organization, sharing or selling, plus faster access at the door. So go ahead and upload a PDF or Apple Wallet ticket by selecting the file or dragging and dropping it down here. So I'm just going to click on this to select the file, and let's say this is a ticket that I want. So I'm just going to click on that ticket, and I'm just going to click on open. Now this is not a valid ticket, but I'm just going to give it a try. Okay, so I clicked on that, and as you can see, it's importing my ticket. So from there, I'm going to show you the next step to take. So you see the banner that actually said my ticket has been imported successfully. So here you go. This is my ticket, unknown date, and add event details if I want to. It's already imported. I can view ticket, I can sell, I can share, I can delete. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can upload a ticket. You can also go ahead to click on this to add event details, and you can sell it from here, and you can share it as well. So you can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.